Inertia, niskriyata, lack of movement or activity, especially when change is required. Synonym: sluggishness, apathy, resistance. Antonym: activity, dynamism, action. Complacency, atmasantosh, a feeling of smug satisfaction with oneself or one's achievement. Synonym: self-satisfaction, contentment, apathy. Antonym: dissatisfaction, vigilance, concern. Affluent, having a great deal of wealth or material goods. Synonym: wealthy, prosperous, rich. Antonym: poor, impoverished, underprivileged. Lofty, uच्च, of imposing height, also noble or ambitious in goals or ideas. Synonym: elevated, noble, ambitious. Antonym: low, base, modest. Inevitability, anivaryata, the quality of being certain to happen. Synonym: certainty, necessity, inescapability. Antonym: uncertainty, improbability. Malfeasance, durachar, wrongdoing, especially by a public official. Synonym: misconduct, wrongdoing, corruption. Antonym: integrity, honesty, righteousness. Incendiary, uttejak, designed to cause fires, tending to stir up conflict. Synonym: inflammatory, provocative, agitational. Antonym: calming, soothing, pacifying. Rebuttal, khandan, a refutation or contradiction. Synonym: refutation, counter argument, denial. Antonym: confirmation, endorsement, agreement. Errant, भटके हुए, straying from the proper course or standards, guilty of an error. Synonym: misguided, wayward, delinquent. Antonym: obedient, well behaved, correct. Elusive, पकड़ में न आने वाला, difficult to find, catch or achieve. Synonym: elusive, slippery, difficult to pin down. Antonym: accessible, obtainable, straightforward. Phrasal verb, bump into, to meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. Top up, to finish something in an enjoyable or successful way. Get away, to leave or escape from a person or place. Fall apart, to fail completely and be unable to continue in the usual way. Idiom and phrases: let bygones be bygones, to decide to forget disagreements or arguments that happened in the past. A blessing in disguise, something seemingly unlucky or bad at first result in good. Cast in the same mold, to be very similar in character or to someone else. Spilling the beans, to reveal a secret. Take with a grain of salt, not to completely believe something that you are told.